This one! Actually, this one. No! My phone! This one! Wait! I guess my play button's worth more than $10,000, so yay! This one! No! No, 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 no! Come on! Subscribe if I should do this one, and like if I should do this one. This one! Oh!
You have to lose your fear of failure. Failure is part of the process. People who never fail, never try. You have to fail. You got to get it wrong to get it right. You learn nothing from winning. You only learn from your failures.